What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. Looks like you've been enjoying MREs a lot. It's getting so much more views than other content. So let's do some more of that. This is a first strike Ration menu number 4. This is a much newer one. Not like those MREs that is meal ready to eat. This is actually like combat one for like 24 hours. Get the mission complete. So I'll put this to the side. So contains entire day of food formulated to help you perform at your peak and complete your mission. This is a different menu though. So same thing. It has 160 calories in the first packet right here, and we have teriyaki beef stick, very similar to the menu number 8, first strike nutrition bar. Let's see how much different they are. So probably flavors will be different. Powder lemon and lime this time. There's accessory kit, and it's going to be sandwiches again, but different. Fully cooked, filled, wrapped, self-stable seasoned beef with Mexican style spices. Very cool, totally different. The menu right here. Ooh, it has another chocolate, no coffee. What? Berries, hot sauce. Okay, we're going to open it up in a minute. Looks like it's a little bit bigger, this MRE right here. Beverage powder, tropical punch. So there is no milky stuff. There is another 2500 calories total, same thing. Cinnamon bun, a cheddar cheese pretzels, cool. Ziploc bag, I guess the extra put in here. Okay, what is this? What is the name for it? Multi-grain snacks, bread, spoon, a peanut butter dessert bar, nice. Raisins this time around. And last time I forgot to taste test the applesauce. This is, what is this? Applesauce. Different little pocket. Last time there's a drinking pocket. This one is just opening it up. So we'll taste test it this time. And chicken breast filled with barbecue sauce. So this is actual meal. So let's open everything up. See what we will get. Start with this. What is that? The wrap. Might need a knife. The plastic is really strong. There you go. Looks like it's 2 wraps. Looks better than Taco Bell, right? Anything looks better than Taco Bell, even though it's so delicious. Regrets after, right? Every time. So this is peanut butter dessert bar, raisins. All this is pretty easy to open, but with a knife it's even easier. So let's see, I love raisins. Looks like a red raisins. Cool. Okay, more sandwiches. So all this is just on a go, ready to go, grab and go. Versus regular MREs would be a lot of flameless heaters and stuff. You're going to warm it all up. So this is the ooh, snack bread, multi-grain snack bread. So just a piece of bread to snack on. Okay, that's cool. Cheddar cheese pretzels. Need a knife. Just make it easy. I don't have to look for thing to cut through. Last time we had pizza pretzels, like I think it is gonna taste way better. Pizza pretzels was not the best at all. So real quick, let's see what's in the accessory pack. That's so cool. Mini Tabasco, beautiful. Okay, this is totally different compared to menu number 8, except the energy gum. It's like a coffee gum. Cheese spread that will go on the bread. What else? Mixed berry energy gel. Also might go on the bread. I don't like that cheese bread spread as much. It's weird. I have, I have a couple of cups right here. There's a fill line, but what we'll do is just put it in a glass. The glass size is about the same after we put all that. Also, it's a Ziploc bag inside there. So this is lemon lime powder smoke. Alright. And yeah, I'm so glad this time there's no milkshake. It does not taste good. Feels like milkshake's supposed to be kind of cold, so it tastes really thick and weird, like a powder. Milk have been used, yeah, freeze dried milk. Alright, boom. Let's put water in here. Let's pause for a sec. Got my water. There you go. Will be just enough. And this is probably should be done first because it takes a while to kind of dissolve in there. So I got 1 spoon for everything. So I gotta wash it with my water canteen, assuming we'll bring enough water for all of this. Okay. And this one. So all that's supposed to give you energy and stuff. Yeah, that looks a lot better than menu number 8. That milkshake powder was weird and tasted strange. Okay, let's put that to the side. I have another accessory pack to go through. Okay, let's see what's in here. Pepper, salt, freeze-dried coffee, nice. Gum, usual stuff. More creamer, moist towelettes, matches, white tips, cool. And napkins. I need a roll of napkins. That's almost not enough for the mess I'm making over here. So this is kind of like tissue napkins right here. A whole bunch of them. That's cool. But also it has moist towelettes to clean the hands off. Just do it step by step, and then we're going to do a taste test. Again, let me know in comments below, what do you think about this split screen, so that way you can look at the food close up and see what I'm doing over here too. Ooh, nice. But let's not forget about applesauce this time. Beef stick. Looks like pretty much every MRE, this number 4, number 8 have a very similar one. You know what I noticed? I cannot find Australian MRE at all. So this is chicken. I'm gonna get a lot of new word MREs really soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay, this is a lot better than menu number 8 was like. So look, it's a cutlet over here. Yeah, I might need a fork. Next time I'm just gonna get my own spork. Anyways, let's move it over a little bit. Zoom in. Let's eat. Looks delicious. Okay, let's break through this. Okay, that looks interesting. Tastes good. A bit cold, but tastes alright. Let's break this in half. Half will be this gel and half will be spread cheese. I don't know if I can trust this spread cheese. That's not gonna be that good. Look at that. This is like pure fat. I should be using a spoon, but I only have 1 spoon. Oh, and I ruined all my napkins right now. Great. But anyways, there it is. Yeah, cheese is just feels really like weird melted cheese. It's not my favorite thing. Okay, let's go to the snacks. This one tastes delicious. Okay, this is lemon lime, looking pretty delicious right here too. Wow, so good. Okay, teriyaki beef stick. Very soft. I like it. I guess we're going to the dessert now. Filled with something right here. It's like French toast. That's good. I feel like I should put this on French toast. Make it even better. Oh yeah, look at that. This is strange. This is like some kind of jam. Very interesting jam right here. That tastes delicious. Wow. I like that jam a lot. Okay. You know what I forgot? The main meal. This piece of chicken right here. Yeah, it's stood up chicken breast right here. Okay. Pretty good. A little tough, but that's normal for chicken breast. I like the dark meat better. But there you go. Alright, clean something. Get some napkins back out here. Yeah, 1 spoon is just not enough. They should give us a spoon and a fork. Okay, let's go to dessert. This is tough. This is cereal bar. This is not edible. This is like a very dry caramel. They're not edible at all. Tastes like coffee. Wow, that one is not so good. Usually those kind of soft, not super soft, but chewy. But this one was like, I don't know, what did they call them? Those are fillers, pullers. Too hard to eat. Okay, there is raisins, big raisins right here. It's good. Tabascos. I don't know, usually it's supposed to be a little more red. Maybe it's a light Tabasco, like not super hot. What else am I missing here? Peanut butter bar. That's delicious. Tastes like a piece of peanut butter. Tastes really good. Have some kind of peanuts in there. Chunks, so chunky peanut butter bar. So good. So my biggest surprise was literally like this bun, this jelly. Chicken was okay. Energy bar, energy gum. Let's try it this time. So it comes with a whole bunch of them. So just grab and go. Got some energy. Very sugary. Chew 1 piece for 5 minutes. If not alert within 15 minutes, chew a second one. Do not exceed 2 pieces in 3 hours. This is cinnamon flavor. Ooh, this is the own flavor. Whoa. Between 2 of them, I kind of like this lime way better. Looks delicious, better than the other one. And flavor is amazing. Wow. Whew. Oh yeah, you know what? Last time I forgot, and this time I almost forgot too, because we taste test everything. Nah, come on. Applesauce. That's what I'm saying. The spoon need to be more than 1. There you go. Looks like a regular applesauce. Let's. Whoa. Ooh, too sweet. That's way too sweet. So yeah, definitely very different compared to menu number 8. This is a menu number 4. Had some good stuff in it. I don't know, I feel like I like this one better. There is some still couple things like this cheese I did not like. It's some cheap like melted cheese. I don't like that. Some gums in here, like everything's super nice. So definitely if I had to survive on that, no problem. This is very good. It gives you a lot of calories, so continue working. Yeah. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? We will try to find more unique MREs. It's kind of been tough to get in them, especially I try not to order them from the other countries because a lot of times they don't make it all the way here, or they just take out some of the components from those MREs. So it's been kind of tough doing that. Finding MREs that is in the United States. There's a lot of like Brazilian MRE and this Kazakhstan MRE super new one, but it would be ordered from Kazakhstan, and sometimes they just empty it all out because it's like has meat in it, whatever, you know. It doesn't go all the way through if I order it, so it's easier to find it something for like MRE Mountain and things like that. Websites is already in the United States. But yeah, let's try out the regular gum. That energy gum was so strong. This is probably going to be like Orbit or something. Yeah, just mint. Tastes delicious. Yeah, so hopefully I can find a lot more MREs. This is too strong. Maybe one at a time would be better. But yeah, super rare MREs. Hopefully you guys keep enjoying this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, helps a lot, and I'll see you next time.